Welcome to Aptitude concept video, number system. Let's discuss how to convert between these four number systems. Let's start with decimal to other format. So how to convert the given decimal number to binary, octal and hexadecimal. So if you want to convert the given decimal number to other format, you have to divide the given number by destination's base value and write the value from bottom to top. Let's take a simple example. So I need to convert this 25 in a decimal to binary. So I have to divide this 25 by destination's base value. Destination base value for binary is 2, octal is 8 and hexadecimal is 16. So I have to divide this by 2. I will get 12 and the remainder is 1. Again 2, 6, remainder 0, 2, 3, remainder 0, 2, 1, 1. So I have to write this number from bottom to top now. So 1 1 0 0 1. This is the binary equivalent of given number 25. Similarly, if you want to convert the decimal number to octal, you have to divide the given number by 8 and write like this. So let's take an example 137. Now I need to convert this 137 to octal number. So I have to divide this number by 8 because the destination base value is 8. So 137 by 8 will get 17 and the remainder as 1. So if you divide again by 8, you will get 2, remainder as 1. So now write from bottom to top. So 211 is the octal equivalent of given decimal number 137. Similarly, if you want to convert the given number to hexadecimal, you have to divide the number by 16. So let's take number 348. You want to convert this to hexadecimal. So divide the number by 16 and you will get 21, remainder as 12. So again divide number by 16, you will get 1 and the remainder as 5. So make sure you are writing this 12 in a hexadecimal format. So the hexadecimal equivalent for this 12 is C. For A it is 10, for B it is 11, and for C it is, for 12 it is C, and for 13 it is D, and goes on up to F. So the hexadecimal equivalent is 15C for the given decimal number 348. So this is how you have to convert from decimal to other format. Divide the given decimal number by destination's base value and write the answer from bottom to top. Now let's discuss how to convert from other format to decimal. So if you want to convert from binary to decimal or octal to decimal or hexadecimal to decimal, you have to follow a method like this. So let's take an example 11001. If you want to convert this 1101 to decimal, so multiply this number with the source base value. So source base value is 2, 8 and 16. So for binary the base value is 2. So write the number 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2. So now write the power from right to left, that is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and 2 power 4. So simplify this. So 2 power 4 is 16, 2 power 3 is 8, 2 power 2 again it will be 0, this will be 0 again equal to 1. So answer will be 25. Now let's look at how to convert from octal to decimal. So let's take the example 211. This is the octal number you want to convert to decimal. So write the number 2 into 8 plus 1 into 8 plus 1 into 8. Now write the power from right to left. So 2 into 8 square 64. It is 64 into 2 128 plus 8 plus 1. So 128 plus 8 plus 1 137. So similarly, if you want to convert the hexadecimal to decimal number, let's take an example 15C. So 1 into 16 plus 5 into 16. So the corresponding decimal equivalent of C is 12. 12 into 16. Write the power value from right to left. 16 power 1, 16 power 2. So 16 square is 256 plus 16 into 5 equal to 80 plus 12. So add this value, you will get 348. So this is how you have to convert the given number to decimal. So multiply with the base and the suitable power from the right to left. Now let's look at how to convert between different number systems. So far we have discussed decimal to other and other to decimal. let's look at how to convert from binary to octal and binary to hexadecimal as well as octal to hexadecimal. So let's discuss this with a simple example. So consider I need to convert the given binary number. This is the binary number. I need to convert this binary number to octal number. So in this case, what you have to do is you have to divide or group the number by 3. So this is one group, second group, third group, fourth group, fifth group, and if you don't have any numbers, so add some 0 and write it. So you have to group the given binary number as a 3. Now write the equivalent decimal number for this 3. So 111 means equivalent decimal number is 7. So 110 means 5. 101 means 5. 110 means 6. 001 means 1. 0 means 0 and 001 means 1. So this is the corresponding decimal equivalent of the given number. So write it together. 101657 is the octal value of given binary number. So you have to group it as a 3 and write the corresponding decimal equivalent and write the answer. So simple. Similarly, if you want to convert the given binary number to hexadecimal number, you have to group it to 4 numbers. That's it. And the fourth group. So this is one group, second group, third group and fourth group. So now write the corresponding decimal equivalent of this number. So 111 means it is 15, 41 means 15, 1010 means 10, 0011 means 3, 1000 means 8. So corresponding hexadecimal number is 83. What is the decimal equivalent of 10? Hexadecimal equivalent of 10, it is A. Hexadecimal equivalent of 15 is F. So your answer is 83AF. So the binary value has to be grouped as 4 numbers. Convert the 4 number, write the decimal equivalent of those 4 numbers and convert the given decimal number to hexadecimal and write the answer. So simple. So for the simple thing you have to remember is for octal you have to group it as 3 numbers. For hexadecimal you have to group it as 4 numbers. That's it. Similarly, if you want to convert the given octal number to hexadecimal, so how to convert? So the one way is you can convert the octal to binary and again the binary answer to hexadecimal. That is one way. So we are doing the same thing here to convert directly. So the simple method is do the same thing. So the corresponding binary equivalent, write the corresponding binary equivalent for these individual numbers. That is 7 can be written as 111 and 5 can be written as 101 and this 6 can be written as 110. Again 1 can be written as 001. Again 0 can be written as 000 and 1 can be written as 1 or you can write 3 digits. So now you have written in 3, you have to group it as a 4. So, same thing. So write the answer directly here. So it will be equal to 8, 3, 10 and 15 or you can write A and F. So value is 83A. So if you want to convert from octal to hexadecimal number, use the same concept. That is, group the number as a 4 and write the answer. Thank you.